Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious bagels at home. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 4 cups of high-protein bread flour, 1 1/4 cups of warm water, 1 tablespoon of active dry yeast, and 2 tablespoons of sugar. For that authentic bagel chew and flavor, don't forget 2 tablespoons of malt syrup or barley malt. A crucial half teaspoon of salt will enhance the taste. Make sure everything is at room temperature for the best start. Now that you have your ingredients ready, it's time to mix the dough. In a large bowl, combine your flour, yeast, and sugar. Gradually add the warm water and malt syrup, mixing until a shaggy dough forms. Turn it out onto a lightly floured surface and knead for 10 to 15 minutes. You're looking for a smooth, elastic dough that passes the window pane test. Then, place it in a greased bowl cover and let it rise in a warm spot for about 1 hour or until doubled. After the first rise, gently punch down the dough and divide it into 8 equal pieces. Each piece should weigh approximately 4 ounces. Roll each portion into a smooth ball, then use your thumb to poke a hole directly through the center. Gently stretch the hole to create a uniform bagel shape, aiming for an opening about 1 inch wide. Place your shaped bagels on a parchment-lined baking sheet and refrigerate them overnight for a slow, cold proof. This develops their deep flavor and signature chew. The final steps bring your bagels to life. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Bring a large pot of water to a gentle simmer, adding a tablespoon of malt syrup. Carefully drop in a few bagels at a time, boiling them for 30 seconds on each side. This boiling step gives bagels their unique chewy crust. Remove them, drain well, and immediately top with your favorite seeds. Bake for 18 to 20 minutes until they are beautifully golden brown. Enjoy your homemade, delicious bagels.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.